Assalamualaikum everyone. In this video, we'll discuss logarithmic and exponential function. We'll convert logarithmic form into exponential form and exponential form into logarithmic form. For this, we have to remember two things. One is base of the logarithmic and exponential function is same, and second one is the solution of the logarithmic function is the power of the exponential function. For example, we have a logarithmic form y equal to log bx, and we want to convert this form into exponential form. The first part is the base would be same, and the solution of the logarithmic function is the power of the exponential function. So power y is placed over here, and remaining term is placed here. So this is the exponential form. Now we solve some examples related to it. First one is convert this exponential form into logarithmic forms. First step is base is same in both cases, and the power of the exponential function is basically the solution of the logarithmic function. So 4 is placed over here, and the remaining term we place here. Similarly, we can solve the other questions. We have to convert this logarithmic form into exponential form, which is very easy. Base is same, and the solution of the logarithmic function is power of the exponential function, and the remaining term is placed over here. So this is basically the exponential form. Similarly, we can convert this logarithmic form into exponential form. Base is same. Solution of the exponential function is the power of, solution of the logarithmic function is the power of the exponential function, and the remaining value is placed over here. Now we convert exponential form into logarithmic form. We put log over here, and the base is same, so we put 8 as a base, and the power of the exponential function is the solution of the logarithmic function, and the remaining part we write over here. So this is the logarithmic form. Next question is convert this exponential form into logarithmic form. So we write log base is e, and the power of the exponential function is the solution of the logarithmic function. So 3 is placed over here, and 20.855 is placed over here. And we know that ln is basically log with base e is equal to natural log. So we substitute log e as ln. So this will be equal to ln 20.855. You can write approximately equal, not exactly equal. So this is the logarithmic form. In the same manner, we can solve question number 6. I think you can do it by yourself, this question. Try this one. Now we solve the next question. Next question is solve this convert this logarithmic function into exponential form. So to convert it into exponential form, we need base. So we can write ln as log with base e, as we know that ln is basically log with base e, and 3 is same. This will be equal to 1.9861. So convert it into exponential form. So this will be equal to base. The solution of the logarithmic function is the power of the exponential function. So this will be placed over here. 1.09861 is approximately equal to 3. So this is the solution. Next is log 7 is approximately equal to this value, and we have to convert it into exponential form. And one thing that we have to remember is that single log without base is basically log with base 10. This will be same. So we can place this log as log with base 10, and now we convert it into exponential form, which is base. The solution of this logarithmic function is the power of the exponential function. So this will be placed over here, and this will approximately equal to, and 7 is placed here. So this is the exponential form. Now the next question is in problem 17 to 28, evaluate the expression. We have to evaluate the value of this expression. Let's suppose this is x and we calculate this x. In order to calculate this x, we'll convert this equation into exponential form. So convert this form into exponential form, which is base, the solution become power, and this will be equal to 36. Now we can write this 36 as 6 raised to power 2. Now basis is same, then power is also same. So x is 2. Now we can verify that this x equal to 2 satisfy the given equation. Now we satisfy this one. Put the value of x over here and convert it into exponential form, which is equal to 6 raised to power 2 is 36, and we can see that this equation is satisfied. It means that x equal to 2 is the solution of this expression. Now we solve the other question. We have to evaluate the value of this expression. So let this value is x, and to find this x, we'll convert this equation into exponential form, which is 2 raised to power x is 512. Now we factorize this value. We make the factors. So this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can write 2 raised to power 9. Now the basis is same, so power is also same. So x equal to 9 is the solution. And now we can verify that this value satisfies the given equation. I substitute x over here and then convert it into exponential form that will satisfy the given equation. Now we can solve this question. This will be equal to x, convert it into exponential form. This will be equal to this. And we can write 27 as 3 raised to power 3. And bases are same, so x equal to 3 is the solution of this equation. Similarly, this will be equal to x 16 raised to power x. We'll convert this equation into exponential form. This will be equal to this. We can write 16 as 4 raised to power 2 and x is as it is. So bases are same, power is also same. So 2x equal to 1, x is basically 1 by 2. Now we can check that this x equal to 1 by 2 is the solution of this satisfy the given equation. So we substitute the value of x over here and then and then we check either this value of x satisfy the given equation or not. If it satisfies, then this value is the solution of this equation, and otherwise it's not. Next question, I think you can solve by yourself. And question number 22 is to evaluate this expression, we can take this expression as x, and in order to calculate this value we can convert it into exponential form, and we know that log without base is basically log with base 10. So we convert it into exponential form, which is 10 raised to power x is 10,000, and we can write 10 into 10 raised to power 4. So bases are same, x equal to 4. So in the same manner, we can solve this question. We can write this log as log with base 10, and this will be equal to x. Convert it into exponential form. 10 raised to power x is 0.0001, and this will be basically equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and this will be equal to 10 raised to power 4, and we can write 10 raised to power minus 4. So x is minus 4. So we can solve the next question. Let this is equal to x, convert it into exponential form, which is base raised to power. The solution of the logarithmic function is the power of the exponential function, and we write this value over here. Now basically this is the cube root, so we can write 2 raised to power 1 by 3. Bases are same and x equal to 1 by 3. Question number 25 is evaluate this value. So this will be equal to x. In order to calculate the x, we'll convert it into exponential form, which is 5 raised to power x equal to 1. And we know that a raised to power 0 is 1. So if we write 5 raised to power 0, so this will be equal to 1. So we can place 1 as 5 raised to power 0 to same the bases. So now bases are same, now x equal to 0. Now we can verify that x equal to 0 is the solution of the given equation. We substitute the value of x over here and then convert this equation into exponential form, which satisfy the solution. So this will be x. 5 raised to power x is 1 by 25. We can write 1 over 5 square, and this will be equal to 5 raised to power minus 2. Bases are same and x equal to minus 2. I think now you can solve this question. Okay, now in problem 29 to 48, find x. Again, we have to evaluate the value of x. Whenever we are required to calculate the value of x, we will convert that expression into that equation into exponential form. So we will convert this equation in exponential form, which is base is same, solution becomes power, and x is placed over here. And we know that 3 raised to power 4 is 81. So x is 81. And this value satisfy the given equation. We substitute 81 over here and check either this value satisfy the given equation or not. We can solve this. Okay, we put x over here, the value of x over here, which is 81 equal to 4. Now we convert it into exponential form, which is 3 raised to power 4 is 81, and obviously this will satisfy the given equation. It means that this value of x is correct. Okay, next question is find x. So base raised to power solution is equal to x, and 2 raised to power 8 is, we can check. We can check the value of 2 raised to power 8 is equal to 256. So x is 256. Okay, now we solve the next question. 5 raised to power 3 is equal to x. We just convert it into exponential form. So we find x, which is 125. Okay, now we can solve the question 32. We convert it in order to get the value of x. We'll convert this form into exponential form, which is 5 raised to power 0 equal to x, and 4 raised to power 0 is 1. So x is 1. So question number 33 is this. As we know that a log without base is basically log with base 10. So now we convert it into exponential form, which is 10 raised to power minus 3 is equal to x. It means x raised to power 1 over 1000. Okay, ln, we can write ln as log with base e, as ln is equal to log with base e. So we place the value of ln over here, and this will be equal to this. Now we easily convert this logarithmic form into exponential form, which is e raised to power 1 equal to x. So x is basically e. Now the next question is again same. You can solve this question by yourself. Now we can solve question number 36. Convert this value into exponential form. So this will be equal to x squared equal to 25. So x is plus minus 5. Now we check which value of x satisfy the given equation. Maybe both values satisfy the given equation. We have to check by substitute the value of x over here. Now we can solve this. We put the value of x. First, we put x equal to 5 over here and check either this is the solution or not. Convert it into exponential form, which is this one, and this satisfies the given equation. It means that x equal to 5 is the solution. Now we check for x equal to minus 5. Now we put x equal to minus 5 over here and convert it into exponential form, which is minus 5 raised to power 2 is 25. And this also satisfies the given equation. It means that both are the solution of the given equation. Now we solve the next question. X raised to power 3 equal to 8. It means that x equal to 2. I think now you can solve question number 38, 39. And now we solve question number 40, which is this one, and we have to evaluate the value of x, which is very simple. Simply convert it into exponential form, which is x raised to power 1 is y. So x is basically y. So x, the value of x is y, simply y. Now I think you can solve question number 41, 42. Okay, we solve question number 42. Just convert this form into exponential form in order to calculate the value of x. So base is same, solution become power, and this will be equal to this value. Now simplify this value. Minus 2x plus x equal to minus 3. This will be equal to minus x minus 3, and x is 3. Now you can check that this value of x satisfies the given equation. Substitute the value of x over here, and then if it satisfies the given equation, then this is the solution. Otherwise it's not a solution. You can do yourself this question by yourself. And question number 44 is simple. Convert this into exponential form, which is this one. Bases are same, power also same, x is 3. And you can verify this question. And this will be equal to 2, equal to 2. Okay, next question is convert this, find the value of x. So we can solve this question. We shift 2 on the right side, and this will be equal to 3x minus 3 log 2 4. Now we convert this equation into exponential form. So base is 2, solution becomes power, and 4 is placed here. And we can write 4 as 2 raised to power 2. So bases are same and power is also same. So 3x minus 3 equal to 2, and x is 2 minus 3 plus 2 is plus 3 plus 2 is 5, and 3 is placed over here. So x is 5 by 3. Now question number 46 is simple, and I solved this question as well. 3 raised to power minus 2 is this one. We can write 3 raised to power minus 2 as 1 over 9. Solve this question and you can easily get the answer. Now the last question is convert this, find the value of x. So in order to calculate this value, we simply convert it into exponential form, which is x raised to power 2 is equal to this value. We convert this into a standard form, substitute, minus x2 is on left side will be plus x2, x raised to power 2 plus 4x minus 16, and simply take 2 common from this side. We get this one, factorize for this equation, make the factor of this equation, and we get the answer 2 and minus 4. Now we have to check either both value of x satisfy the given equation or not. We just put the value of x over here, here, and here, and check and convert it into exponential form and check either this value of x satisfy the given equation or not. So this is all about. Now here is the check. You can check for x equal to 2 equation is satisfied, the given equation is satisfied, and for x equal to minus 4, okay, you can check for x equal to minus 4. If it is satisfied, then this is solution, otherwise it's not a solution. I think this is all about for conversion of logarithmic and exponential function. If you have any query, you can comment me. Okay, Allah Hafiz.